don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight.
Good day, Cassies. This is May and I am back for another short tutorial of how we are going to send money from our ShopeePay wallet to another ShopeePay wallet user. Let's start by opening our Shopee app and then click the Me tab on the lower right side. And on the Me tab, you can find your username above, which you can use to be able to receive or send money using ShopeePay wallet. As we scroll down, under my wallet category, choose ShopeePay. As we can see, I have 195 pesos, but just make sure you have money on your ShopeePay wallet so that the transaction will be successful. ShopeePay have more options like top up, scan, pay, transfer, withdrawal, and request. You can pay bills, purchase products, or buy load on ShopeePay using your ShopeePay wallet. But today, we will be using the transfer option. Transfer has 3 options, and we are going to choose Shopee user since we will be sending money from our wallet to another wallet. Next step, we should type the phone number or the Shopee username given from our recipient carefully to avoid sending it to the wrong ShopeePay user. But as you can see, I just typed NH because it's already saved. After typing the phone number or the username of the recipient, then you'll be directed to this page which you are going to type the transfer amount. And then you are going to type the purpose, which is optional. Again, check the details if the phone number is correct so that the transaction will be successful. After checking the details, just click transfer now and then enter your 6-digit ShopeePay PIN. You will be directed to this page wherein you will be informed that your transaction is successful. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be updated on my next short tutorials.